Good afternoon. We are from Bandari Srinivas group of institutions. Bandari Srinivas group of institutions is having two colleges. One is Bandari Srinivas Institute of Technology. Another one is Bandari Srinivas College of Engineering and Technology. The college has been established in 2003. Now we have a certification of ISO also. Recently we got it ISO of 2008. And my college, my main motto is that student, whoever may be coming to my college, we want to enhancing the employability to the student. And coming to education, we have different courses like civil, aeronautics, triple E, CSE, mechanical, IT. These courses will be covered into the undergraduation level. And while coming to PG level, we have MBA and MCA. Then coming to MTech levels, we have ECE and CSE. And we have another program like diploma. We are running the diploma courses of triple E, ECE and CSE. While coming to placement, we have a different structure of placement records. It's that we will be starting placement training from the starting period of second year. Starts with a CRT and ends with a offer letter to the student. And we have registered with the JKC and we have a star status into the JKC. Apart from that, we are very good in cultural activities that every year we used to conduct a national level cricket tournament test. In this test, every year 250 colleges will be participating, and every year we will conduct Technovision, which is nothing but we will conduct a technical vision where most of the 500 colleges is participating, and they were expressing their skills through paper presentations and robotics and all those things. And every year we will issue a gold medals to the students. The gold medals will be given by Mr. Srinivas Garu as a father and mother name, whoever may be getting a top rankers in the academia. Last year my placement record is 42%. Among that, most of the companies like HCL, IBM, Infosys, CA, all these companies have been participated over there, and most of the students got placed. Even the highest salary package what we received for this year is 6.25 lakhs, and the staff what we are having, it's very well known in the reputed in the industry as well as academia.